No, video.
Jerad Spencer, Flair Real Estate. It's Tuesday, and that means tacos, right?
That's right.
Taco Tuesdays. I'm over here on Highway 12, just before you get to 1132 on the right-hand side at this little taco truck. How long you guys been here?
A month.
Been here a month. See, and I've just found out, I think about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, it's like, how did I miss this? Well, I figured if I missed this, then you probably did too. So you've been here a month. What all do you guys serve?
We serve anything from breakfast to keto, hamburgers. We have daily specials every day.
Daily special, so Tuesday being tacos, I guess. So what kind of tacos are on Tuesdays?
Today it's street tacos.
Street
we changed them up. Next week it'll be a different kind of tacos.
Okay, so tell me about today's tacos.
It's steak or chicken tacos.
Okay.
You have cilantro and lime rice, and then you also have a little onion and cilantro on the taco and the Mexican cheese. And you can have pico, green sauce. You can have flour tortilla and corn.
Sounds like a few different options. Now, I'm not prejudiced. I eat tacos every day of the week of all different types. But if I don't eat tacos, what else can I have? What's a big seller for you guys?
The biggest seller is our cheeseburgers, our monster burgers, because all of our meat is hand ground.
Hand ground. What's this monster burger?
It's a double meat, double cheese cheeseburger.
Okay, so if you sounds like you're ready for some cardiac arrest, I got this really big hand ground burger that you got to come try out. What's the phone number for you guys?
409-313-4346 or 409-313-4361.
Guys, local business. Come support them, check them out, take a taste. We'll talk to you soon.